Hello everyone, welcome back to Coder's project. Today we are solving the remove duplicates from sorted list problem on LeetCode. We are given the head of a sorted linked list and we need to delete all the duplicates such that each element will appear only once, and then we need to return the linked list sorted as well. So if this is our input 1, 1 and 2, we're going to delete our duplicate 1 and then return 1 and 2. And over here we have 2 1s and 2 3s, so we delete one of the 1 and one of the 3 and then return the sorted linked list. So it's pretty simple, but then when we actually think about the solution, how exactly are we going to do it? We'll use a single pointer. I'm going to call that as current, and this is going to traverse through our list. As we move through, we'll compare the value of our current node with the value of our current dot next node, and then if the values are same, we are going to skip this by updating our current dot next pointer to our next unique value or next unique node. And then if the values are different, then we just move the pointer forward. And that's it. It's a pretty simple and efficient solution. Let's get started. So we are given a class list node where value is basically going to store the value of our node, and next is going to point towards the next node in our list. And we are given a function delete duplicates, which takes in a head, and then we need to return an optional list node. So let's go ahead and handle our edge case first. So if head is none, we just return the head because there's nothing to process. So if not head, we just return our head. All right. Now, as we discussed earlier, we're going to create a pointer called as current, and this is going to we're going to initialize this to our head of our linked list. So this pointer will help us traverse through the list and then make changes. Now we're going to traverse through the list and then remove our duplicate. So while current and there exists current dot next, we're going to check if the values are same. It means that we found a duplicate. So if our current dot val is equal to current dot next dot val, then we're going to set our current dot next to current dot next dot next. All right, so if the values are same, what we're doing is we're checking if the values are same, then it means that we have found a duplicate. To remove it, we are updating our current dot next to skip the duplicate node and point to the node after that. So this effectively deletes the duplicate. Now we'll have to check if the values are not same. So if the values are not same, then we just move the pointer forward to the next node. So if the values are not same, we just set our current to current dot next. So this is going to ensure we continue checking the rest of the list as well. And now finally, after processing the entire list, we just return our head. Okay. So let's go ahead and run this. Right, looks like our test cases have passed over here. So we have completed this problem with a time complexity of big O of n, where n is the number of nodes in our linked list, and we are not using any extra space over here. We're just modifying the list in place, so the space complexity is O of 1. And that's it for today. We have covered everything from the problem understanding to the coding and testing of this. I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video for more content like this. Drop a comment if you need any specific video or if you want me to cover any specific topic. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.